Hey everyone, welcome to day 39. Today is the 10th of April, and today will be on the topic will be error handling. Today will be a short video because I'm running out of time at work. But essentially, error handling, it's very similar to debugging, and maybe some people won't know the difference between the two. So, what exactly is the difference? Well, think of error handling as managing the errors while they're occurring, while you're running it. And debugging is more for like fixing it afterwards. So I guess, yeah, so pretty much error handling just makes sure that while you're running the code, nothing bad happens to it. If there's an error that occurs, like it won't affect everything else. Whereas debugging more like identifies and fixes the bugs, right? So here, very similar to debugging. We'll go over some basic error handling techniques, and then we'll go over some more advanced error handling techniques. So first of all, set E. This will make your script exit immediately when a command fails, which is very useful. So you don't infinitely loop sometimes. Some commands will do that. Let's say you have a for loop that continues, or a while loop that continues forever. So it just stops there, right? It just immediately shuts it down, tells you where it stopped. And then 2, checking return values. This one's just very simple. Pretty much you just always check the return values of critical commands, which you can print message, do cleanup, or exit with a custom code. And then this one's a little bit more useful, using the OR operator to execute a command if the previous one fails. That way, even if there's something that goes wrong, it will still continue smoothly. Just by it won't print out like error blah blah blah. It will just echo error, and you'll know exactly where this might have happened. So those are the basic ones. Here's some more advanced ones that might be more useful. So custom error function. This will create a reusable error function, such as, let's call it error exit. This is the example given. So echo error and whatever command we try to run, and then we just exit. So now anytime something goes wrong, you can just call, let's say you run some command and it doesn't work, then it will print out the error. It will use the error exit function to print out error, like some command failed to execute, or failed to execute some command. And next we got trap command, which we went over yesterday, pretty self-explanatory. This will help you catch exactly what line the error happened on. And then handling specific error codes. So this one is a bit trickier because every error, whenever an error occurs, there's always an error type. For example, type 1 is, I believe, just general error. Type 2, I believe, is like, I think it's like to do with like the misuse of shell built-ins. And yeah, I think there's probably more, but I tried to find a graph somewhere and add it in, but I couldn't really find it. So if you guys know, let me know. But yeah, that's what I have to do. I'm running out of time, so thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. See you guys tomorrow.